This is the Life Support Systems Evaluator at Wright-Patterson Air Force Base in Ohio. It was designed to aid in research conducted to determine precise nutritional requirements, to evaluate foods planned for long-term space flights, and to investigate personal hygiene procedures. It is manned by 4 subjects, 2 of whom are required to wear an unpressurized spacesuit constantly for 16 days. The subjects' activities were under constant surveillance 24 hours daily. Temperature, humidity, and other environmental variables were checked periodically by the chamber operators. All diets were scientifically formulated, and each portion was weighed to the nearest tenth of a gram in order to determine the precise balance between intake and waste. Once daily, food was passed into the evaluator by way of its airlock. Waste matter was disposed of in the same way. A 3-day diet cycle of pre-cooked, dehydrated food with bite-sized compressed items and a matching, freshly prepared diet were compared for nutritional value as well as for subject acceptance. The dehydrated foods were packaged in metal foil envelopes to retain flavor and freshness. The results obtained showed that dehydrated and bite-sized foods were very acceptable for potential use in aerospace systems. In addition to testing the food itself, the packaging, storing, preparation, and disposal means are also tested to determine how well they will work in the spacecraft. As we've seen, foods for spaceflight may be bite-sized, freeze-dried, or dehydrated, as shown here. Each item is fully tested by a suited astronaut in a spacecraft simulator before the food item is approved for use. Dehydrated foods must be reconstituted with water before consumption. The supply of water comes from the fuel cell, of which water is a byproduct. A hose with a nozzle is located between the astronauts in this Gemini capsule mock-up. As soon as the astronaut has finished his meal, he inserts a special germicide pill, which comes with each bag, into the opening and mixes it with the remaining food to retard spoilage.